So, kasi at the end of the day, kung bakit ka nagtitrade, kung bakit ako nagtitrade is para kumita ng pera, ano? Hindi naman tayo nagtitrade para ipakita na maganda yung entry mo, maganda yung exit mo, no? Hindi naman ganoon. Yan, medyo naging emotional pa nga ako dito that time kasi naisip ko na parang have I been too perfectionist for this particular pullback? Sabi ko. Yung pinaka how to do it better is don't wait for the perfect price. Okay, it doesn't matter if you have the best price. Kung hindi mo naman nasakyan, ano, yung move, 20% mahalaga yung entry kasi doon ka makakasakay eh. For me, in my point of view, mas importante kung yes, maganda nga yung research mo, maganda yung watchlist mo, maganda yung entries mo, best price, pero at the end, hindi mo nasakyan opportunity. So, wala rin. No? So, mas nagmamatter sa akin yung nasakyan mo siya. So, yun yung medyo hinambol ako ng market kagabi na you don't have to wait for the perfect moment or for the perfect entry or for the perfect price to catch. Okay, yung importante is yung masakyan mo or yung kumita ka ng pera dito sa trade na to. Yun yung pinaka-importante for me. So, kasi at the end of the day, kung bakit ka nagtitrade, kung bakit ako nagtitrade is para kumita ng pera, ano? Hindi naman tayo nagtitrade para ipakita na maganda yung entry mo, maganda yung exit mo, no? Hindi naman ganoon. So, so ayun, yun lang naman for this particular trade, for this particular session kagabi. Ano, I think it was a good session for me. It was a quality session for me and through my colleagues dun sa private circle, I know naging juicy yung session natin kagabi. So